What's up guys, Joey from Carns Equipment. Today we have for you a pre-owned 2017 Honda Pioneer 700. This is the 4-seat model. Really cool, I'll show you when we get back here. Really nice machine for being a 2017. You got this nice big heavy duty bumper on the front. You can see up here you do have a full polymer windshield here and it's vented, so you can shut those if you don't want air, or you can open them up. This machine does have brand new tires the whole way around. We threw some tires on there. They look great on those aluminum wheels. This machine does come with net doors right here, so that's going to be secure and hold you inside. You do have a little door here on the bottom as well. On the inside of this machine, nothing too crazy. It's just a nice machine that's going to last you a while. You can see you got your shifter here, so it's just reverse, neutral, drive. You got 2-wheel drive, 4-wheel drive, and a diff lock, so this thing's not going to get stuck. This machine also has paddle shifters, so you can shift it on the fly if you'd like. You got 2 seats up front here, and then in the back you got some nets on here as well, but you got 2 seats back here, and those seats actually flip down as well to where this acts as a bed. This does dump, but if you're not using it as a dump bed, you want to take the kids with you, your buddies, you can flip it up and have some seats. On the back here we do have a canvas rear panel that stretches above the back part, acts as a roof. You got a full functioning tailgate, big full-size hitch down there. Very, very nice machine. We got it priced super aggressively. Come on down to Carns Equipment, take it for a ride and take it out.